Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss about lung tonics. So basically in this video we will discuss about the top three lung tonics. That is, first one, Dr. Reckeweg R57 Pulmonary Tonic, and the second tonic is Dr. Reckeweg Aspidosperma Mother Tincture, and the third lung tonic is Dr. Reckeweg Senega Mother Tincture. So these are the three basic tonics, lung tonics, which we will discuss in this video. So let's start our today's video, that is about lungs tonics. So first of all we'll talk about the first lung tonic, that is Dr. Reckeweg R57 Pulmonary Tonic. What are the indications, what are the conditions in which you can use this pulmonary tonic, that is Dr. Reckeweg R57. So here the indications are whenever there is a weakness of the parenchymatous organs, especially of the lungs, which is frequently characterized by the weakness of the back, nocturnal perspiration, person who are sensitive to cold, disturbance of the blood circulation, that is cold feet, lack of appetite, paleness, and the limpid aspect of the face, and following upon the loss of the blood. So these are the key indications where you can use this lung tonic, so-called Dr. Reckeweg R57. Now let's talk about the mode of the actions, or what are the main key ingredients which are used for making this R57 Dr. Reckeweg Pulmonary Tonic. So let's talk about the mode of action of the main ingredients, or you can say the chief medicines, homeopathic medicines, which are used for making this tonic. So basically two groups of remedies are contained in this complex. The one group exerts its influence on the bronchial mucous membrane, and the other group, which consists of the constitutional remedies basically, and bring off the benefit to the asthenic as well as the phlegmatic types. So in this way it's possible to reduce the susceptibility to tuberculosis and to reduces any existing infection by way of stimulating the endogenous immune responses. Now let's talk about the composition, that what are the key medicines, or you can say what are the key ingredients which are used for making this lung tonic, that is Dr. Reckeweg R57. So basically the medicines here used are arsenicum iodatum, calcium carbonicum hanimani, and the third medicine is Lycopodium Clavitum, and the next medicine which is used here is Silicia, and the last medicine used here is Eucrium Cordonia. So these are the main medicines which are used for making this lung tonic. Now one by one we will talk about these medicines. So first of all, let's talk about the first key ingredient, the key medicine that is used for making this tonic is arsenicum iodatum. So this is a basic lung tonic which stimulates the appetite. Now the second medicine, that is carbonicum calcareum, or you can say calcarea carb. So this also acts as a tonic for the lungs, and it eliminates the excess of the water in the tissues, and it helps in recalcifying the effects of the degenerative diseases which are present in the human body. Now the third medicine which is used for making this tonic is Lycopodium Clavitum, which is also called as club moss. Now let's talk about its action, how it affects the human body, and why it has been used for making this tonic. So this Lycopodium Clavitum increases the activity of the liver, and it stimulates the appetite and it facilitates the detoxicating functions of the liver. So this is the main action of the Lycopodium clavitum on the liver. Now the next medicine which is used for making this tonic is Silicia. So Silicia is also responsible for recalcifying effects on the serous pulmonary focal center. So this is the main action of Silicia on liver. Now our last medicine which is used for making this tonic is Eucrium's Cordonia. So this is specific in pulmonary diseases. It has been used and it has a wonderful effect in pulmonary disease, especially like pneumonia, like tuberculosis and other affections of the lungs also. So this was all about the composition of Dr. Reckeweg lung tonic, that is R57. Now let's talk about the doses, that how to take this tonic now. So generally 2 to 3 times you have to take 10 to 15 drops in a little amount of lukewarm water, and mind it, you have to take it before meals and alternatively with other remedies. So this is how you can take this tonic. So this was all about the first lung tonic. Now next we will talk about the second lung tonic, that is Dr. Reckeweg Aspidosperma mother tincture. Now let's talk about it. Dr. Reckeweg Aspidosperma mother tincture is prepared from a plant which is called as Aspidosperma cubenco. Now what is the function, what is the key role, why we have used this plant for making this particular type of tonic for lungs? Because it increases the oxygen capacity in the blood, and Aspidosperma present in this medication is an excellent remedy for all kind of asthmatic complaints. It is used to relieve chest congestion, influenza and cough problems. This medication also helps in dissolving of clot in the blood vessels of the lungs, which are narrow due to various diseases. Dr. Reckeweg Aspidosperma mother tincture is an excellent medication for asthma arises from the heart disease also. So it has wonderful results in cardiac asthma also. And it relieves breath shortness, which is also called as dyspnea, or you can say exertional dyspnea. What are the benefits of taking Dr. Reckeweg Aspidosperma mother tinctures, and what are the key indications where you can use this mother tincture successfully? Now let's talk about the dosage, that how to take this particular. Always remember, you have to take 15 drops of Aspidosperma mother tincture in a half a cup of normal water and twice each day for 3 months, unless otherwise prescribed by the physician. And the patient should consult the medical practitioner before using it. And it is always better to inform the doctor about previous medications or any kind of allergies to the patient. And after knowing all the medical history, the medical practitioners will advise you to doses and the alternate of the medication. So this was all about the second lung tonic. Now our last lung tonic, that is the third one, which we will talk about now. So this is Dr. Reckeweg Senega mother tincture. Now let's talk about it. So Dr. Reckeweg Senega mother tincture is an effective remedy for the treatment of any kind of respiratory disorders, and especially in case of chronic bronchitis, issues of the dry and the excessive cough. It also helps in relieving oppression and constrictions in the chest, and it soothes pain in the surrounding area. So it has a marvelous result in case of angina pectoris also. Now what are the key ingredients which are used for making this lung tonic? So basically only single medicine is used for making this lung tonic, that is Senega. Now let's talk about the benefits of this medicine, of this lung tonic. So this lung tonic is basically used for the treatment of any kind of respiratory disorder, as we have already talked about, and it helps in treating excessive dry cough and relieves operations in the chest, and it helps in relieving constrictions in the chest along with excess mucus production in the lungs, or any kind of excess expectorations in the lungs. It has marvelous results, and it treats conditions of aphonia and dyspnea, that is breathlessness, and the person is having difficulty in respiration, and it improves the rate of breathing. So these are the key benefits of taking this mother tincture. So these are the conditions where you can use this this lung tonic, and it can also be used as a chemopreventive agent against lung cancer, and it improves immune responses. And based on homeopathic composition, it is safe to use and it has zero side effects. So this was all about the indications and what are the conditions where you can use this lung tonic. Now let's talk about the doses, that how to take this lung tonic. So always take 10 to 15 drops of this lung tonic, that is Senega mother tincture, diluted with half cup of water, and thrice a day, that is TDS, or as directed by the physician. So this was all about the third tonic. So that's all. In this video we have discussed about the 3 lung tonics and the various diseases of the lungs where you can use these lung tonics for marvelous results with zero side effects and with permanent cure. So that's all. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. And yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe, stay healthy, and exercise daily at least for 1 hour, and don't forget to meditate also. And yes, thanks for watching our video.